जाएगा जाएगा नहीं जाएगा no. हाँ 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 जा रहा है
There it goes.
it's a slow takeoff oh oh ओए संभाल के गया हाँ अच्छा तू यहाँ जा
Hi, welcome to my video, and if it's your first time here, then welcome to my channel, and welcome back to, I guess, the second part of my Ambala series for this year. We're back in Ambala for Diwali as usual with our family, and I made a really extensive Diwali vlog last year, and I didn't want to do the same thing this year because we typically do the same things, but I did want to give you a look at how we celebrated with our family. Diwali Mubarak. We just finished our havan at home. We're gonna go downstairs now and light some diyas, some candles, trying to keep it as clean as possible this year. My cousin is here visiting from the UK, which is great. She and her Danish husband are with us, and we're acquainting them with Ambala and how we celebrate Diwali here, so they're gonna be joining us downstairs. Let's go. I'll take you with me.
चले नीचे हाँ Hi.
You want to take that?
Yeah. Acha.
Yeah.
Nice darling. ये हर एक टाइम काफी स्ट्रेसफुल हो सकता है.
Much like every other Diwali, the day itself is pretty quiet. We do some rituals in the evening, and then we go downstairs to light diyas, candles, and firecrackers.
Hi friend.
Hey. It's nice to be here with you.
Yeah. Happy Diwali.
I am not a fan of firecrackers at all. I think they cause a lot of noise pollution as well as air pollution. But the amount of crackers that we buy has been steadily decreasing, and I look forward to the Diwali where we buy absolutely no crackers whatsoever. And in the last couple of years, these lanterns have also really taken off, and they do look really beautiful, but they do have problems of their own. Once the paper has burnt away, the metal structure obviously has to land somewhere, and the following day we read in the paper about several cases of drains getting clogged and animals getting hurt, which is really unfortunate.
I'll go and light this in the middle of the road. Chachi?
Excellent plan. Yes, we do.
You have to see the horizon.
Yes. हम देखेंगे कल.
Yes, it is.
It's also Halloween coming up.
Oh, who's away? Wait, Papa, yaar, moment.
And of course, talking about it is really great, but I think next year I am going to try to personally only stick to diyas and candles and hopefully lead by example a little bit.
I love this. It's so nice and neat.
I didn't show this last year, but every year after we drive through the bazaar, we always visit the Digambar Jain Temple in Ambala. And this year we were fortunate to have one of my brother-in-law's good friends accompany us and explain the various aspects of the Jain faith that I was unfamiliar with, and I really appreciated that. And after this, we made our way back home and we sat down for a round of matka, which is a card game. And I didn't really win or lose. I came out even in the end, which is a good thing, I guess. And that's a wrap on Diwali. If you liked this video, don't forget to show it some love, hit the like button, as well as the subscribe button. And I will see you very soon in the next one.